Hey, it's Vishen here. Well, technically not me. My team made me this because I'm a little busy right now. Busy living my life. And honestly, that sentence probably annoyed you a little because there's a good chance you're working 60-hour weeks and still feel like you might be behind. See, that used to be me. 60-hour weeks, inbox before breakfast, meetings before meetings, feeling productive but somehow never actually done until I built something wild. I built 5 AI clones of myself. One handles my email, one handles meetings, one turns voice notes into content, one answers my team, and one helps me make better decisions. It's about understanding your own work so well that you can clone the way you think, you write, you decide, you create. That's how I went from 60 hours a week to 30 while creating more than ever. And then I went from 30 to 20, then from 20 to 10. And what now used to take 50 hours, I now do in 5. As a result, I changed my life this year. I now take a week off every single month to just do life. I'm taking up stand-up comedy in London. I'm going to go to Spain to learn ballroom dancing. I'm picking up rap, jazz singing, and learning Spanish and Italian. And it's pretty freaking amazing. I'm also heading to Italy to learn how to cook. And I'm hosting dinners and conversations with Mindvalley authors and close friends all around the world because I love people. So take your kids to Legoland and actually ride the roller coaster rather than staying on the ground checking your WhatsApp messages. Push them on a swing without checking your phone every 12 seconds, or burn pasta heroically and still enjoy the evening. Or, just do absolutely nothing and not feel guilty about it. That's the real upgrade. Not working faster, not doing more, getting your gosh darn life back. And if you want to see how this actually works, join me for a free live masterclass on Jan 31st, where I'll show you the 5 AI clones doing real work. I'll be there. Well, one of me will.